Bro, yo, Chad, I going to clean this car. I want to show you how this car. Look at this. Look. Like that is this car, and I going to clean it. How you going to see how I going to clean and like all changes, bro. Look. Everything is horrible. Look at this. Look, bro, is crazy. Yo, we're going to clean everything. You see, that's ugly, and we're going to, you see, chat. So here where I going to start cleaning, and first I'm going to like clean the shit and everything. All right, I'm going to show you. So right here we take plus and here. So sometimes when I see have problems with this, normally I use this. So more fast, and sometimes you need more effort, but it clean it. You see how clean it. So right now I'm going to put more fast. Bro, I was cleaning. Bro, now we're going to eat on my sandwich, bro. I don't finish yet cleaning the car, but I'm going to, alright? But first I'm going to eat, I think. But, bro, that's fucking good. Next, so other one more, and I going to like see video for a while, and that take stop and like more after I'm going to show you how clean our car. All right, yo. Oh fuck him, I don't know why I love him, bro. Alright, I see you. Bro, look at this. Look at this. Yo. Bro, what the fuck, bro? Oh my god. Wait, bro. Oh, like, what the fuck, bro? He was running, bro. Oh my god. Bro, I know it's so dirty, but I trying to clean it. But I'm going to change it. Just look at this. Right now, I'm going to put this right here, and I'm going to clean this part. Look at this, how everything is dirty. I'm still here. So, but first I'm going to show you how I clean it outside. Look here, so it's cleaning, bro. It's cleaning, bro. Oh my god. Here, woo, wow, wow. Wow. Bro, Chad, we're going to clean it inside how you tell you, and how I'm going to show you how I'm going to how change it to look how is everything dirty, okay, and how I'm going to clean it more better. Hi Chad, I'm going to show you how I change the car. So if you see our principal how it changes, you're going to see. It's incredible. Okay, let me show you. Look at this, bro. Come, it's so cleaning, bro. Look, everything is like new, bro. Just look at this. Yo, bro, I clean it so good, bro. Yeah. So subscribe, bro, and give a like. And I will tell you that the teeth is more important. Just look at it. Bye bye.